Hello, my name's Saz, or Sarah, whatever you like to call me, and this is Twist and Shout by the Beatles. This song is originally in the key of D major, however we are going to play it in C major. If you do check out my Buy Me a Coffee page, you will also get the chords and the riff, etc. in the key of D major as well. It's the exact same process, just different chords, same structure and everything, so enjoy that if you'd like to play it with the original key. So I'm going to show you the chords, I'm going to show you the first riff, the second riff, and how to also play this together as a group as well. So, the chords that we need C, normal C, we need F, and we need G7. Now, the song repeats the same pattern pretty much the full way through the song, apart from the part of the song. So we're going to play C for 2, F for 2, and then G7, 2, 3, 4. Now, the G7 comes in slightly before the first beat. It comes in on the 4 and, so you've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and C, 2, F, 2, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 4 and 3 and 4 and C, 2, F, 2 and 2 and 3 and 4 and C and F. Repeats down, 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 up, and then what you can do, down, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And that's it. That's the chords for the song. The next part is riff 1. This is the intro. So we play G, A, B, C, C, F, F, G, 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 A, B, C, C, F, F, G, G, G. So we want to stay a finger a fret for this part here. And what's cool about this bit is when you play the note G, so G, A, B, that's called an anacrusis, like happy birthday when we go happy birthday to you. We don't start actually counting until birthday. It's like a couple of notes before the music starts that we play the music. And then we start counting. So it's the same as this one. We go da da da, 1 2 1 2 1 da 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 da. So we've got, and the timing of that is and 4 and. So it's 3/8 notes. And 4 and C 2 F 2 G 2 3. So when we play the note C, the first note C we play is when we strum C. The first note F we play is when we strum F, and G is when we strum G7. So it goes 1 2 3 and 4 and 1 2. And you'll notice that the G7 chord and the G note falls in the offbeat and. So when someone's going up, 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 that's when we're going and. Really, really cool syncopation there. And 4 and 1 2 3 and. Super, super cool. So that's the intro of the song, and we do that 4 times. We finish on a bum ba ba, and then we start the spin out, shake it up, baby, twist and shout, and so on and so on. So that's that. Now the riff of the song is super cool. The riff of the song is the little bit in the middle before we go ah, and that's the bit where we go. So again, you want to stay a finger a fret here, and we're going to play open on the C string, and then again, and then 1, which is the F note, at the same time the chord F is strummed, and then open an A, and then G at the same time, G7 is strummed. C, C, F, A, G, C, C, F, A, G, C, F, E, C, F, E. So C, C, F, A, G, C, F, E, C, C, F, A, G, C, F, E. And the fret numbers, 0, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 3, 0, 1, 0. And we do that 4 times before we go into the A part. The A part, we're just going to do down, 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 up, the standard island strum. G 4 times, and then we're going to do G7 for 1. And then in the second G7, we're going to go 1, 2. So it'll be G, 3, 4, G7, 1, 2. Now at that part of the song, just to give it a little bit of extra punch, we're going to syncopate it. So 1, 2. So squeeze those fingers down as you strum. 1, 2. Okay, so the last little bit of the song is the A again. So and then we've got an F and a C. So we're going to go down, up, down, up, down, up, C. Down, up, down, up, down, up, C. Just like that. Now when you're playing this in a group, you want to make sure that whoever's playing the notes, make sure you remember where those C, F and G are, because that's when you're going to strum at the same time. And I always recommend practicing this super, super, super slowly. So let's do a little play along from the beginning. I'll count us into 3 because we're going to play the little anacrusis, the and 4 and. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 and. Come on video if you really liked it. Give me a little like, leave me a comment. You can also check out my Buy Me a Coffee page where I post my weekly videos and my buzz lessons, and you'll see why I post this song, why I use it for teaching. You'll get a theory sheet as well. So check out my Buy Me a Coffee. Check me out on all social media, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, Pinterest at UkuleleSaz, and you'll see all of my stuff there, what I get up to as a ukulele teacher. And also check out the Ukulele Project. I run the Scotland Ukulele Project and work with some lovely people at the Ukulele Project where we combat loneliness with the ukulele. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.